Welcome back, my lovely friends. Welcome back to Just Shake or Stir. My name is Georgi and today it's Thursday and it's time for another cocktail, of course. So I pick up a cocktail which is very famous and it's been going strong for many years. So originally was created in 1919 by Harry MacElhone and then it was upgraded by Harry MacElhone in 1929. So the cocktail which I'm talking about is the famous White Lady. Okay, so the original cocktail Harry MacElhone created in the Kairos Club in London in 1919, and it's originally created with white creme de menthe, lemon juice and a triple sec. Now 10 years later, forward, he opened his own bar in Paris, so it's a Harry's New York bar in Paris, and he changed the cocktail drastically. So he replaced the mint with the gin, he replaced the triple sec with Cointreau, and he introduced egg white as well to the cocktail. So since then, Harry Craddock, another Harry, made it really famous in his book The Savoy Club, and of course the cocktail has been going strong since then. But hey, now the original recipe I really like it because it's light, it's refreshing with the mint and the triple sec and the lemon juice. It's worked very good. But triple sec, never been my kind of a, favorite liqueur when it comes to orange flavor. So I do enjoy the upgraded White Lady version, which is with a Cointreau. So I've been thinking for a while and I wanted to try something today, and it's gonna happen for the first time on the channel. I've not tried yet. So basically we're gonna do another upgrade on the White Lady, but this time I'm gonna replace the Cointreau with a Grand Marnier. I'm gonna reintroduce the mint, the white mint, into the cocktail, just a little bit to bring some freshness. And of course we're gonna keep everything else, the lemon juice, the egg white, a bit of a sugar syrup, but again with a twist. Instead of putting the simple sugar syrup, I did make some champagne sugar syrup. Now champagne sugar syrup, it's very easy to make. If you have any kind of even wine sugar syrup, any leftover wine or champagne or prosecco, you just basically reduce on a very low heat. You don't want it to boil, you just want to warm it up to reduce a little bit, to evapor a little bit of the alcohol out of it, and then obviously mix with sugar, leave it to chill, and all you get, it's a wonderful sugar syrup which doesn't taste like prosecco or a wine, but actually keep the aromas of the prosecco and the wine. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense to you. And if you're ready, let's see the ingredients. So I'm gonna use Mint Pastille, a white mint from Giffard, but if you don't have Mint Pastille, you can use any white mint liqueur. Of course, as I mentioned, I'm gonna replace the Cointreau with and the triple sec from both cocktails with a Grand Marnier. High level, more quality orange liqueur based on cognac. Then I'm gonna use gin. Now I am using this bottle at the moment because, as you can see inside, it's left just probably ounce and a half. That's how much I need, and I'm kind of trying to clean up my gin shelf. So use your favorite gin, okay? Champagne syrup. We're gonna have a fresh lemon, and in this little, like a metal shot muck, whatever it's called, I have an egg white ready. So boys and girls, let's build the White Lady Upgrade 2022. Okay, so let's build shaken cocktail. Of course we have egg white, we have the lemon, so we're gonna shake it. First of all, we're gonna start with our gin. London dry gin, 1.5 ounces or a 45 ml. So as I say, I wanna clear this bottle, and this is pretty much, yeah, it's left a little sip. It's okay. I can get rid of it. Then we have our mint, which as I mentioned, I'm using Mint Pastille by Giffard. And if you missed the video on Monday with Giffard on the Monday dram, which it's happened on Tuesday, make sure you check it out. So I'm gonna use only 15 ml or a half an ounce just to bring some freshness to the cocktail and a lovely kind of a minty flavor, okay? Then we go with the Grand Marnier. I'll be using another 15 ml or a half an ounce of the Grand Marnier. There we go. champagne syrup. Now, the liqueur is gonna bring some sweetness, both of them, so we don't wanna go over sweet here. What we're gonna do is just basically a bar spoon, just to give this kind of a flavor from the champagne and obviously enhance a little bit of the sweetness, because next ingredient, of course, it's a lemon juice. And here we're going with 22.5 or 3/4 of the, 22.5 ml or 3/4 of the ounce with the lemon juice. If you like to be a little bit more sour, feel free to add more. I like it just where it is. 22.5, it's usually a good kind of a measure for me. And a full egg white. There we go. Now I'm gonna move everything, give it a quick dry shake so we can break the egg and introduce some air to it to make it nice and fluffy and light, and then we're gonna cool down with ice, okay? Very good dry shake, a quick one. Hold the shaker, because you don't want to explode in your hands, because trust me, doing a dry shake with egg white, it could end up drastically bad over your clothes. All right, now some ice. I'm going to use my hands today because I can't find my ice bucket. So there we go, lots of ice. You want to give it a good chill, close good your shaker and give it a really good shake for 10 seconds. Ooh, wonderful. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna serve in a cup glass. I'm gonna give it a double strain because obviously you have the ice broken inside the lemon, the egg. You don't want any of this in the glass, so give it a really good double strain. Oh, look at that. Just perfect. Here we go. And for a garnish, I have already prepared orange zest, because we have the orange liqueur. You can garnish it with a mint leaf if you want. I have some in the fridge, but I decided to go with the orange because it's kind of doing a nice contrast with the whole flavors inside. And yeah, let's just make a little bit. There you go. And this, my lovely friends, it's my White Lady, upgraded 2022. Let's see how it's tastes. Ooh, that reminds me of like a, oh, that's crazy. Orange and mint together with the lemon, with the gin. Oh, it's like a dessert. Hey, seriously. Ahaha, I love it. I love it. Simple as that. Try at home. Let me know. Tag me on Instagram if you do it. And leave me comment below if you try it and what you think about this, because both recipes is from the same mixologist and bartender, but I just give them a little bit kind of a join party together and upgrade the orange liqueur. That's all I did. Okay, the champagne syrup as well. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and yeah, sorry about the noise. I'm really sorry about this, but I'd rather get it done than trying to be perfect, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. For now, I'm gonna finish this, get ready for work, and I'll see you next week. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and as always, I love you and I leave you. Cheers!